Hello everyone, ito guys yung aking trabaho dito guys. Puro daikon yan guys, puro daikon. Labanos pala yan guys. Machine. Yung machine na gagamit namin yan guys. Ito guys. Yan guys, daikon. Daikon. Machine yan guys, pang karton yan guys, yan po yan guys guys, ikot yan, laban na speed laban yan guys, paano yan guys ito guys, labanos yan guys, yan yan. Ang karton naman guys. Ito ang machine.